According to me, the most important step in makeup is the skin prep. Honestly, the most important step in makeup is the skin prep. If you don't prep your skin well, that is starting from cleaning the face, you are really not doing anything. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep the skin to achieve a very flawless makeup look. You can see like the outcome of this makeup look. Honestly, it comes from the skin prep. Make sure you prep the skin very well for you to get to that stage. Okay guys, so the first thing I do while prepping the skin is to clean the face very well. I clean the face with a micellar water and the wipes. Okay, after that I go ahead and tone with a Tejas toner. I do this to, you know, like achieve I tone the face to, you know, balance the pH level of the face and equally remove some hidden dirt from the skin. After that, I use my fan to dry it up, and it's very important that you dry before you move to the next step. So after drying, I'm going to be using my Corex snail moisturizer to hydrate the skin. This is equally a very important step. You have to hydrate your skin if you want to achieve that glowy effect look that you see there. Make sure your skin is very hydrated. So you have to actually trick the skin to really be this hydrated enough for you to achieve that dewy effect. Okay guys, so days are gone when we used to think that dewy makeup will not last for a very long time. That is a lie. Dewy makeup actually lasts more than when it's always matte, like honestly. Okay guys, so after putting it on, I'm going to be using my hand to blend it into the skin. So after blending it, I'm going to be using the Embroylisse moisturizer. This is a very good moisturizer that I normally use for my brides. So I'm going to be placing that on her face as well, like on her, under her eyes, especially mostly under the eyes, because that is a very delicate place that you want to be hydrated throughout the whole day. You don't want that place to cake for any reason, right? Yeah, so I'm going to use my brush to generally place it everywhere on the face, generally get it everywhere basically. So after that, I'm going to allow it to sit on the face for a while. Yes, for a while before I begin to use my hand to blend it into the skin. This is equally very important. Do not skip this step. Make sure you allow it to sit, to absorb into the skin before you begin to blend. Yeah. Okay guys, so make sure your hand is equally very clean. Okay, I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is a very hydrating primer. Like the grip, it grips your makeup to the face. So I'm going to be placing that on the face as well, and I'm going to use my brush to blend it into the skin. Like this is equally a very important step, because this primer is supposed to like grip your makeup down to your face. It's going to help you. Like when you use this primer, of course you know that your makeup is going to last for a very long time. And again, make sure you don't actually apply this under the eyes, like directly under the eyes. No, just go every other place except your under eyes, because you don't want primers under the eyes. You only want to moisturize and hydrate that place. Okay, another thing I'm going to do is to actually hydrate the lips. So moisturize the lips using my lip balm. You can use any lip balm and do that step. Okay, after that I'm going to be using the Meron Skin Prep to control the sweat that's going to be coming from her skin, which is equally very important. After that, I'm going to be using the fan to dry it into the skin. So it's important that you equally dry this into the skin to make sure that everything is set and ready. After that, I'm going to be using my Becca Pore Primer to hydrate her face, guys. So mattify her T-zones, not just hydrate, to mattify her T-zone. Okay guys, so I'm going to be mattifying the brows because I want that place to get mattified. Equally her nose, the tips of her, like not really the tip, sides of her nose, because yeah, those are the places that produce oil the most. Okay guys, so after that I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Spray to lock in everything I've done on the face, and equally use my fan to dry it into the skin. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.